Are you having problems throwing away bread because you do not eat a loaf of bread before it starts to mold? I got you because I don't eat a whole loaf of bread every time I decide to buy it from the store. So I'm going to show you how I prevent from throwing bread away by using the Press and Seal Glad saran wrap and the Ziploc bag. Okay, so we're going to start here with my bread of choice today. I have the brioche loaf that I'm going to be putting away inside the freezer, inside of the freezer bag and saran wrap. So let me show you how to do it. Or let me show you how I do it. Now the size Ziploc bag I use is the gallon size, okay? I just simply take about 4 slices because I never usually eat anywhere near 4 slices of bread like throughout the week. So I'm going to take out 4 slices at a time because that's much more realistic for me to eat before it starts to go bad. It also makes it easy for me for like when my grandchildren come over here. I have no more than 4 grandchildren that'll be here at a time. So it's easy and much more economical just to pop it out of the freezer and use it for a toast, French toast, sandwiches for them, or whatever they may want to use that for. So it's much more economical to do it this way because then I don't waste any bread. Bread is much too expensive nowadays to take a chance on a half a loaf, a fourth of a loaf, or whatever, any part of the loaf to go bad. So this way I'm guaranteed not to waste my money. Now, if you're worried about freshness, I'm going to say that when I freeze my bread and I take it out and let it thaw out, it actually tastes to me as fresh as it did the day that I bought it. So I don't have any issues with that. You just have to make sure you are wrapping it totally. Don't leave any air holes or anything like that. Wrap it up and it's usually fine. Where, as you see right here, where I kind of gathered that press and seal, that's why I like the press and seal saran wrap, because when you press that together, it closes off any air from being able to get into whatever it is you're wrapping up. So that's the reason why I like the press and seal Glad versus the regular Glad saran wrap. Back to the freshness of the bread, you have to remember when you take the bread out of the freezer, just simply sit it out on the counter. Maybe the day before you plan on using it. Don't defrost it like in an air fryer or a microwave or oven or anything like that. You can maybe sit in the refrigerator maybe the night before and then that morning let it sit out for a couple of hours. But I normally take it straight from the freezer onto the counter if I plan on eating the bread the next day. And it thaws out. It's soft, it's fresh, it's moist as the day I bought it. So I have no problem. So here I have just about the entire loaf wrapped, and I'm going to just take these couple of pieces. Stay tuned. I'm going to be making a video for French toast with that. So here I take my Ziploc bag, the gallon size, and I put these little individual packs inside of there. This is just to ensure that no air gets in there. I know I use the press and seal, but I just want to make sure because if air gets to it, then it will harden the bread. So I'm trying to protect it from any freezer burn or anything like that. So yes, I just put it in that Ziploc bag and it is ready to go. Before you leave, like and subscribe to It's Gamma's World.